Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Google Maps, open the app and tap your profile icon at top right. Once done, go straight to Settings and pick Navigation Settings. This is where voice language lives. You need Maps up to date and your device language set to a supported language. If not, change device language first. Make sure Google App Language matches if the option doesn't appear. This first step places you in the exact menu where the voice language selector will be available. Now, inside Navigation Settings, find Voice Selection or simply Voice. Tap it to see the list of available languages and accents. Select the language you want. Some require a separate download for offline use, so accept the download and note the file size. Once downloaded, use the play preview to confirm pronunciation and accent. If you switch device languages, return here to reselect. This step changes the spoken guidance. Pick the voice that matches clarity and local terms you prefer. Finish by starting any route and listen closely to the turn-by-turn prompts. Confirm place names and directions speak in the new language. If the voice didn't change, clear Google Maps cache, restart the app, or reinstall. Sometimes offline voice files fail to apply. Also check your device's text-to-speech engine. Make sure it supports the chosen language and is set as default. If problems persist, re-download the offline voice and reboot. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.